In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan and loan repayment in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the loan when you receive the funds and how to track each payment so your principal and interest are recorded correctly. Let's start with recording the loan itself. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus new button at the top and choose Journal Entry. This is how we'll get the loan onto your books in one clean transaction. On the first line of the journal entry, you'll choose your loan liability account from the account dropdown. This might be called something like notes payable or loan payable, depending on how your chart of accounts is set up. In the credits column for that line, enter the full amount of the loan you received. This tells QuickBooks that you now owe that money. On the second line of the journal entry, go back to the account dropdown and choose the bank account where the loan funds were deposited, such as your business checking account. In the debits column for this line, enter the exact same total loan amount. This increases your bank balance by the amount of cash you received. Make sure the debit and credit match and that the date of the journal entry reflects the day you actually got the loan. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your loan is now properly recorded as a liability and your bank account shows the deposit. Next, let's record a loan repayment. Anytime you make a payment to your lender, go back to the plus new button and select either check or expense, depending on how you're entering the transaction. At the top, enter your lender's name as the payee so you can easily track who you're paying. Then, scroll down to the Category or Expenses section. On the first line, select that same loan liability account you used when you created the journal entry. In the Amount field on this line, enter just the portion of your payment that goes toward the principal balance. On the next line, select or create an interest expense account from the category dropdown. In the Amount field here, enter the interest portion of the payment. If your payment includes any extra fees, add another line. Choose the appropriate expense account and enter the fee amount. Once you've double-checked that the total matches your payment and the split between principal, interest, and any fees is correct, click Save and Close.